Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram, focusing on comparison with standard 4.4a, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got 4 people racing, and we have their finishing times here. And then we have this question, how much longer did it take for Marcus to finish than Priya? All right, so this question gives us a clue as to what operation we need here. How much longer lets us know that we are dealing with a comparison. We are taking two quantities and we are going to compare them. Sometimes you might see how many more, how much taller, how much wider. Anytime you're taking these two comparisons or these two different lengths or these two different times or these two different measurements, and then you're trying to find the difference between them, right? You are using comparative thinking. And so we can draw a strip diagram to represent that. When we draw a strip diagram for comparison, it's going to be slightly different than our part whole or our equal groups because we are actually going to draw two different bars that are not connected. So let's focus on Marcus and let's focus on Priya. Now the nice thing is if we can identify that it is a comparison, it lets us know that we are going to use subtraction. And there's always going to be some type of statement within the problem. How many more, how much longer, how much wider, how much taller, that is going to let you know that how much is going to be kind of a clue that you are going to compare two quantities. So Marcus and Priya. So let's build Marcus first. And it said how much longer did it take for Marcus. So Marcus is going to be the bigger bar. So I'm going to draw it out like this. You can write the time inside or on the top. I'm just going to write it on the inside. Marcus had 8.4 and we're dealing with minutes. All right. Now, we've got Priya. She is going to be a separate bar. You notice they're not connected. And I'm going to put it, something like this. So this is how we draw a comparison. We have two separate bars. And it's different than part whole and strip and equal groups because with those you're connecting them and you're trying to like either find the total, trying to find the number in each group, trying to find the missing part. But these are two totally separate people and you just want to compare the two. And so what we're looking for, instead of a part or a whole or a number of groups or number in eight groups, you're looking for this space between the end of Priya and the end of Marcus. And that's how we would represent that with a strip diagram. So now all we need to do is subtract. Now, when we set this up, let's make sure we're lining up the decimals. And one of the biggest mistakes I'll see students make is you have a blank in the top row, the minuend, right? That's the larger number. And they'll just say, oh, blank minus 2 is 2. Well, that blank is not a blank. Remember, when we're dealing with decimals, 8.4, that's 8 and 4/10, is the same as 8 and 40 hundredths. Remember, you can just add that 0 because 4/10 is the same as 40 hundredths, right? And so we need to change this 8 and 4/10 to 8 and 40 hundredths. We need to add that 0 so we can actually take the 2 from something. Now that lets us know, oh, we need to borrow, which we need to. If we just did blank minus 2 is 2, we'd get it wrong. So we're going to borrow a tenth, leaving 3. It's going to give us 10 hundredths. Now 10 hundredths minus 2 hundredths is 8 hundredths. I can't take 7 tenths from 3 tenths, so I need to borrow a whole, leaving 7. Now I've got 13 tenths. 13 tenths minus 7 tenths, that is going to be 6 tenths. And then 7 minus 6 is 1. So how much longer did it take? 1.68 minutes, D.